All right, contests. Do you guys run any contests as a company here? March Madness, okay. So you should always have, as a team, your own contests that you run. Every single month I had something that my team was fighting for. So there's 3 different types of contests I'll go over with you. One of them is contest for a needle mover. Rockets like, oh, we need to pull more credits, right? It's a big focus. Whichever leader does the best job at this, we're gonna give blah, blah, blah to. I go back to my team, we're running a contest, I'm pulling credits. Whoever pulls the most credits this week, it's a $500 gift card. Or a $100 gift card. Or gets an early out, right? Something, whatever they want to fight for, I put it out there. So whenever you want to move a specific needle, you could always run a contest on that needle. That's one way to move the needle on something, is run a contest on. Number 2 type of contest is contest for spike. You want to spike things up. Let's say things are slow, they're boring, and you want to just kind of get your team riled up, and you come out there and you say, look, we got a week left in the month. We're only at 9 closings as a team. Our goal was 15. I'm not gonna let this last week simmer down and only focus on in process. So if we hit 20 submissions this last week, which I know we could, to set up a strong next month, we're going out to blah, blah, blah. I got us a yacht, I got us a boat, I got us a restaurant, I got us a Top Golf. It's on me, we're going out as a team the last day of the month. Could we all fight for that? And then every single day in the Herald, it's like we need 6 more, we need 3 more, we need 2 more, and you go over the contest update every single day. So you could do it to really get a spike in production. And the third reason is a spice contest. That's just like when your team looks like they're all dead and they want to go home, you know, and you just walk in with a 60-inch TV and you throw it on the floor. And you say, whoever writes 8 submissions this week gets this TV. And if you don't, I'm taking it home, putting it in my guest bedroom for my guests. And now they got a big TV in the middle of the floor and they're staring at it all week. Like, why don't I try, you know? I could use that TV. And if you're thinking like, whoa, TV, I don't got enough money to do that, let's get some more closings on. That's why we're here. The point of this training is to double your closings, triple your closings, because you guys could do that, I'm telling you. There's a lot more room for us. Again, the most important part of the contest is the visibility, the consistency. Build the history and the wall of fame. So visibility, every single day in the Herald, you go over it. Consistency, you're constantly talking about it with your team. Like you make the contest a slot machine so they never forget it. Does that make sense? So you should have, maybe not this month, but for next month, or maybe this month, second half contests. You do the last 15 days with your team and you get a prize that's affordable for you, right? And it doesn't have to be money all the time. You could say, you know what, whoever gets, what's a good number for the last 15 days? 10 submissions, 15, 20? 10. The first person to get 10 submissions in the second half of the month, I'm banking from your desk for a whole day. You could take my job, I'll take yours. Like it doesn't have to be financial. You write loans for them all day long. Or I'll chase your books for you. Like whatever it is, if it doesn't gotta be financial, just get creative with it, right? But I guarantee you, if you do a contest the last 15 days and you talk about it every single day and you measure it and you go over it in the Herald, you're gonna get a spike in production the last 15 days. You'll probably write 4 or 5 extra at least than what you were gonna write. Just because there's an extra focus and something different going on. Try it. Grab a TV and throw it in the middle of your team Monday morning. And say whoever gets 10 submissions the last 15 days gets this TV. And tell me what happens. Someone needs that TV on your team. They get bigger as time goes, you know? For March Madness, I would have did like a Delta $1,000 gift card to push somebody to travel because they want to accomplish their goal of traveling. So I would start running a contest. That's your third action item. Make a contest for the last 15 days of the month and let us know what it's going to be.